You know, get a bike. It's cheaper on gas. You use way less of it. That's wild, dude. $15 and I'm here. Like every other ride. Explain that. If you ride often, that's like 30 to 60 a week. I'm just kidding. It is much better on gas, but still, you're going to be getting it a lot. Especially on a 1000. But if you ride legally and smart, you go through way less gas. A tank of gas will last you a good bit. If you ride the speed limit and stuff, absolutely. But a lot of us don't. It's actually pretty warm today. It's about 80 degrees. I can't really see it right now, but I have a bandage on under this glove because I got up on my roof to clear the gutters out finally. And it was so hot that it burned me through the leather gloves that I was wearing. Burned like the palm of my hand. So that didn't exactly feel good. But at least I finally got that taken care of. And I don't know why I'm talking to you guys about house chores, because you don't come here for that. You come here for stuff like this. So I'm gonna have to do an oil change on this bike, both of them really, because they sat all winter, and I like to do one at the beginning of the season. I should have done it already, but I wanted to, get out there, get riding. I also wanted to make sure I'm not going to run out of videos for you guys. So I'll do one soon. I'm not sure if you guys noticed the lady in the pink back there. She had on like a hot pink shirt, I think. I'm not sure if she was on camera at all, but I was curious what they were doing. I think they were like cleaning out their car or something, but she had her butt cheeks out. So I didn't look over for because I'm a gentleman, so I didn't gander and take a peek. But I think she should be on the camera, I'm assuming. If she wasn't, you'll never know, because I'll cut that part out. Set a new top speed record today on the RSX. Sound like a good idea? Think we should try that? See how fast we can get it to go? Fully topped out? That sounds like something I'm not gonna do. Hoping to see something cool today. Maybe get to race something. Got a nice BMW right there. Got a Porsche, but it's a 4-door, nice C8. So, I mean, we're off to a good start. And there was that old muscle car back there, but I didn't really get that on camera. I just saw it with my eyes. It was a nice red one. I think it was a Mustang. Red with black racing stripes. Hopefully we see something nice. It is, like I said, it's very warm out today, so that usually helps. There's another biker who's on a naked bike. Oh, I got one behind me. Big cruiser. I know I talked about possibly making videos on like the way to and from work. I don't know if I'm gonna ride to work, to be honest, because it's pretty inconvenient. It's fun, don't get me wrong, like I love riding and I want to every chance I can get, but like I take stuff with me to work, obviously, like a drink and my uniform and all that stuff that I have to wear. Well, I just wear that to work, but like I take other stuff with me that's part of the uniform, and it's difficult to take all that stuff with me if I ride. I have to put it in like a bag or something like that, for example, and then when I get to work, I don't have a locker, so now I don't have anywhere to put it. So it would be pretty inconvenient to ride there. As much as I want to, it's just not very practical. So I'm still not 100% sure if I'm even gonna ride to work. I might try once or twice just to see how it goes, but like I said, I don't even have anywhere to put my stuff, like my helmet and camera and all that, so I'd be surprised. I hope he doesn't try to talk to me, because he's pulling up pretty close. I don't want him to talk to me just because I'm very awkward and I don't know how to have conversations with people, so it's nothing against him at all. It's strictly against me and not being able to talk to people. So I'd probably say something really weird or stutter a lot and embarrass myself. I was looking at a wrecked 2018 CBR 600. It wasn't too bad damage-wise. The engine started, but it went for much higher than I'd like to spend right now. So I didn't even bother renewing my membership, just because like I had a feeling it was going to go for a lot. I really wanted it. I want to work on a Honda, and I want to do another 600, because I haven't since the very first project bike I did, the Gixxer. So I wanted to do another one, but last I saw it was over $2,000, and that's obviously before all the fees and stuff, and then renting the truck to go get it and everything else. So I'll just wait for something else, because the profit on that one wouldn't be super high, because it's already a 7-year-old 600 and it would have an R title, so people aren't going to be super interested. And obviously I'm not going to charge. It would be somewhere around like $4,000 at most, probably a little less, because like I said, 7 years old, R title, so wouldn't be a super valuable bike. It wasn't in bad shape, but people are always sketchy about R titles, which is understandable. Oh, what's going on up here? I'm assuming the tractor trailer is pulled over, but I don't know. There's another C8. I think I've only seen like maybe 2 or 3 young people driving a C8 out of all the different times I've seen them. It's very rarely someone like below 50. Oh no, we're gonna be sitting at this red light for a little bit. Please don't try to talk to me. I can't do it. I don't know how. Please no. Spare me. Okay, I think he is. I think he's staying back, which is nice. What's up, bro? Okay, yeah, he's keeping his distance. Thank you, sir. Ooh, green arrow. Am I gonna miss it? Better not. No, we're good. We're chilling. And a nice classic Pontiac. But I've made it to the bank, so it's gonna be the end of this one. I'll show you guys my bank account information before I wrap it up, but thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. It's a beautiful day, so I'm definitely going to make another one on the way home. And I'll talk to you then. Later.